Hey, credit junkies. Today, I'm walking you through exactly how to start a credit repair business step by step, even if you're starting from scratch. I'm giving you the full blueprint, not fluff, not theory, real steps that actually get results. Let's get real. People are drowning in bad credit right now. Student loans are back. Cost of living is higher than ever, and lenders are tightening up approvals. That creates a huge opportunity for people like you to step in and help if you know how to structure your business the right way. Credit repair isn't just about disputes anymore. It's about coaching, automation, education, and building trust with systems that work. If you're starting your business right now, here are the essential pieces you need in place. First, a clear business name and legal setup, an LLC, EIN, business bank account. You can knock this out in a weekend. Second, a business domain and email address, not Gmail, not Yahoo, a business address that is professional, credible, and builds trust. Third, a software system to run your entire operations. You need one tool that handles your CRM, your website, your client onboarding, automated billing, dispute tracking, and text and email communications. That's exactly why we build the Credit Repair Junkies platform, to give you access to the one tool that makes all of this seamless. And finally, a client journey mapped out. From the moment they land on your funnel to the moment they graduate, you should know every touch point and how it's triggered. Now, let's talk about getting that first wave of clients fast. Start with your personal network, your Facebook friends, your Instagram followers, your family, your past coworkers. Don't pitch them, just share your business journey with them and offer them value. Create 3 to 5 videos per week. Simple reels. Talk about common credit myths, share tips, show how a 550 credit score can become a 750 credit score. Use DMs to book conversations. Don't wait for leads to fall in your lap. Be proactive and start 10 to 15 conversations a day. Keep it helpful, not spammy. And offer a transformation, not a service. Don't say, I fix credit. Say, I help people get mortgage ready. Remember, specific equals powerful. Getting clients is only half of the battle. Retaining them and delivering wins is what builds your recurring revenue. Use proven dispute strategies and outsourcing. You can absolutely send disputes yourself, but if you want to scale, you'll want a fulfillment partner that can take all of that tedious work off of your hands. Our CRJ dispute team handles this at volume for over 1,000 credit repair businesses already. Communicate proactively. Clients cancel when they feel in the dark. So send them updates, text them, celebrate small wins every single month. Show them the path from first deletion to score jump to funding to financial transformation. Map it and deliver it. Once the foundation is in place, you just have to turn up the volume, automate onboarding, outsource disputes and customer service, hire a VA or a DM setter, track your KPIs weekly, and reinvest into content and systems. Most of our CRO Bootcamp members scale to $10,000 a month and beyond within 90 days because they aren't winging it. They're using proven blueprints. So if you've been sitting on the idea of launching your credit repair business, or if you've already started but you're stuck under 10 clients a month, now you've got the roadmap. If you want the full step-by-step with live weekly coaching, done-for-you systems, and a team behind you, head over to the link below this video, creditrepairjunkies.com/go, and learn more about the CRO Bootcamp. We help you get 100 clients in 100 days and build a real business with the tech, the training, and the team to back it up. I'll see you on the inside.